On the 20th of May 2021, 21 LGBT rights activists in Ghana were arrested at a hotel in Ho Municipal District, during an assembly where the activists were discussing human rights treatment of LGBT plus people in the country. The arrest sparked international condemnation and the rise of a movement under the banner #Release the 21, calling for their release and an end to state violence against the Ghanaian LGBT plus community. In the most recent court hearing, on the 11th of June 2021, the activists were granted bail on their fourth application. Homosexuality is illegal in many parts of Africa, and in Ghana, it has been criminalized since the 1860s. Although LGBT organizations exist, they are only allowed to discuss human rights but not promote or practice gay sex, which is punishable with up to 3 years imprisonment. In February 2021, a community center for the LGBT community had to close its doors amidst mounting pressure by religious groups and anti-gay organizations against sexual minorities. Actor Idris Elba, along with British Vogue editor-in-chief Edward Enninful and model Naomi Campbell, signed an open letter to the government of Ghana to address discrimination and legalize homosexuality in Ghana. LGBT plus issues are often seen as part of a Western agenda trying to spread US or European values in the country, which has led to high levels of discrimination against LGBT plus people, including blackmail, extortion, and violent attacks. In April 2018, President Nana Akufo-Addo had to clarify statements made to news outlet Al Jazeera about gay rights in the country, and after opposition party National Democratic Congress asked him to clarify his stance, one of his office spokesmen said that the president would not be willing to legalize gay sex in Ghana and that there would be no changes to existing laws. After the Accra LGBT Center had to close, many black celebrities showed sympathy to the Ghanaian gay community. Among them actors Idris Elba and Makila Coel, and signed a letter under the hashtag Ghana Supports Equality. Human Rights Watch also condemned the raid and closure of the center. However, members of the organization such as Alex Kofi Donko and others of LGBT plus Rights Ghana have stated that they will not flee or leave Ghana and that they will continue for rights recognitions. Donko stated that authorities had further limited their activities to only health-related programs. Donko also said that whilst mixed, the reaction of Ghanaians to the LGBT plus were not openly against them. Donko also thanked singer Boy George for releasing a song in support of the gay Ghanaian community, and he said that it is heartwarming to see all this support coming from the international community. Following these statements made by Donko, a group of MPs led by NDC's Sam Narte George said that they would push along with other lawmakers to criminalize the promotion of LGBTQ plus rights. George wrote on social media that it was owed to the Ghanaian people to uphold that which gives us identity as people, and asked for help to fight the scourge and perversion that homosexuality presents. In response, LGBT plus Rights Ghana urged President Akufo-Addo to guarantee peace and safety for gay people in Ghana, and that it was not within the organization's goals to legalize same-sex civil unions. On the 20th of May 2021, a group of LGBT plus rights advocates held a meeting in the city of Ho in the southeastern Volta region of Ghana, meeting at a hotel for nurses and midwives. The group had met to share information on documenting LGBT plus rights violations in Ghana and had brought a number of flyers with them, including ones on coming out and all about trans. Shortly after the meeting began, police raided the hotel and arrested them under the anti-homosexuality laws, unlawful assembly and promoting LGBTQ plus agenda. This was seen as the latest crackdown on LGBT individuals in the country, and the arrests were widely condemned as there are no legal parameters to forbid the assembly to discuss improvement of living LGBT plus people, according to organization Rightify Ghana, which also accused, along with an academic, of depriving the activists arrested access to legal counseling. Soon after the arrests, the hashtag #ReleaseThe21 went viral on Twitter in the country, but the petition by LGBT organization before the Ho City Circuit Court to immediately release them was refused. The Ho City Police Department released a statement saying that the activists arrested were advocating for LGBTQI activities, and further stated that the command is cautioning the public, particularly parents, to be wary of activities of persons involved in this misbehavior and report them to the police. They were first set to appear in court on the 4th of June 2021, where the charges against them were read and delayed their bail application for a few days. The activists' lawyers pointed that promoting LGBT rights is not a crime in Ghana. On the 8th of June 2021, the Ho City Court denied bail to all 21 activists and ordered